will start comprehensive series of important MCQ from chapter number 9, working with array and string, taken directly from the previous year board papers. The weightage of this chapter in the board exam is 10 marks. I have taken a total of 85 MCQs. So let's move on to our very first topic, that is scalar variable and composite data type. Scalar variable holds a single value at a time, while a composite variable can hold multiple values. Array and string are composite data type that can store a collection of more than one data value. Now we will see our very first question of this session. Which kind of variable are of basic data type and can store only one value at a time? That is scalar variable. Correct option is D. This chapter is basically divided into 4 parts, that is array, string, date and calendar. Initially we will concentrate on question related to array in Java. Here we will understand the definition of array. An array is a variable representing a collection of homogeneous type of elements. Array is useful when same operation are to be performed on various elements of the similar type. Or you can say that array is an object used to manage list of items. An array is useful to represent vector, matrix and other multidimensional data. Here we will proceed to our next question without any delay. Which kind of variable is a variable representing a collection of homogeneous type of element, that is array? Option D. What is useful when same operation are to be performed on various elements of the similar type in Java? Or in Java, which of the following is an object used to manage list of items? So that is option A, array. Which of the following is useful to represent vector, matrix and other multidimensional data? Correct answer is C, array. Array are useful for representing data in vector, matrix or multidimensional form. Vector is represented as a one-dimensional data structure that is used to store list of items like character, numbers, and matrix is represented as a two-dimensional data structure where data is stored in tabular form in the form of rows and columns. Vector is used to represent that dimensional data structure. Vector is 1D. Option A, 1 is correct here. What is the name of one-dimensional data structure that can be used to store a list of items like character and number? We know vector is one-dimensional data structure and it is used to store list of items like character and number. So correct option is A, vector. Type of array are used to store tabular data in the form of rows and columns, that is 2D. Option B is correct here. What is used to represent 2D data structure like tables of rows and columns? So correct answer is matrix. To create an array in Java, you have to follow these 2 steps. Declare an array object and create an array object using new operator or directly initializing it. Question is, what is the process of making an object that is used to manage list of items? Or which step are followed for the process or creation of array in Java? So option A, declare an array object, and B, create an array object. Both are there. Option C, both A and B is correct here. Here you can see the syntax to declare 1D array. Begin with data type Then array name followed with only one pair of square bracket for 1D array. And here you can write the square bracket either after the array name or after the data type. Both declarations are valid and equivalent. So you can follow any one of this. Here you can see you can initialize an array using new operator. Using the new operator followed by the data type, and in square bracket you have to specify the size of the array. This size will specify number of elements this array will hold. To directly initialize a 1D array by providing comma separated value within a curly bracket. Now we will see few questions related to it. Bracket are used to declare 1D array in Java. Or in Java to declare a 1D array we use a pair of which bracket after array name or after data type, that is square bracket. Option B is correct here. Gone through how to declare an array, how to initialize an array. Now we will see how to access an element of an array in Java. Begin with the name of the array and then the index of the element is used within the square bracket. Remember, in Java, index values start from 0 for the first element. Property in 1D array. Array have a length property that return number of element in the array. In Java, we can use various static methods like sort and fill operation. Just you have to use one package, that is java.util.array. Then you can use this method sort or fill method. Sort operation is used to sort an array element in ascending order. You can sort whole array or you can sort partial array. To sort the whole array, you just need one argument, that is array name itself. To sort the partial array, you need three arguments. First one is array name, and then you have to specify the starting index, and then you have to specify the end index. Whatever end index you are specifying, it will be n minus 1. So it will go up to 7 here. We have one more operation, that is fill operation. Fill operation is used to fill an array with a specific value. To fill the whole array, just you need two arguments, array name, and then you have to specify the value here. And to fill the partial array, here you need four arguments, array name, start index, last index, and then you have to specify the value. We can use various static methods provided by Java, using which array class, or question can be like this. In Java, which of the following classes contain methods like sort and util? Correct option is A, java.util.arrays. In Java, you can perform binary search and linear search on array to find the index of a specific element. This method of array class is used to search an element in an array. Here, linear search is also written, binary search is also written. But here, correct answer is binary search. You have to go with linear search when the question is like that. You have to search element by element in a serial fashion and linear search. Otherwise, you go with binary search only. Yes, I was telling this question. Which of the following method does element by element comparison in a serial fashion? So correct option is B, linear search. 2D array. In a 2D array, we have two square brackets. First square bracket is for row and second square bracket is for column. Which braces is used in 2D array using comma separated Java, string class represents a sequence of character enclosed in double quote. In Java, there are two main classes for handling string, that is string class and string buffer class. What can be considered as a sequence of character in Java? So correct option is C, string. Sequence of character, that is string label, is enclosed between which sign? So we know very well, double quote sign. Option B is correct here. Very important question. Java support two types of string that are handled by which of the following classes? Here, correct option is D, string and string buffer. Now we will see different constructor to create a string object. Here we have different constructor for different purpose. This type of question are very easy. It look very difficult, but when we read the question carefully, then we can easily answer it. In question itself we can get the answer. So now we will see different question related to it. So the following constructor is used without argument to create a string object with no character. So you can see here without argument with no character. So option B is correct here. We have to see the constructor that create an object that refers to the literal specified in an argument. So here option A is correct here. Here we have to see the constructor that create a string object which is same as object specified. So here B with str object is correct here. Here we have to see the constructor that can create a string object with initial value using AR by argument. So here we have character array with AR by argument. So option B is correct. Here we need to go with 1D array argument starting at this thing and have length. The correct option is A. So here we have array, integer start and integer length also. String method for comparing string. The string class provides several methods for comparing string. Here we will see most common used method, equal method. It will compare the string to the specified object and it will return true if the invoking string is same as this str object. Fine. Now equal ignore case. It will also compare the string to another string while ignoring cases, means uppercase, lowercase it will not considered here. Next one is integer compare to. It will compare two string and return 0, greater than 0 or less than 0. And here we have compare to ignore case method that will also compare two string ignoring cases. Which of the following tasks are provided by string class? To compare string, find the length of string, combining string, converting string. Correct answer is D, all of this. String class also provide method to perform tasks like append string, extract part of string, splitting string into substring. So here correct answer is all of this. Which operator is used when string object has separate allocated memory and are identical? Correct option is B. New operator is used to create a string object with separate memory allocation and it will initialize it with the specific value. Even though if two strings have identical content, here both the string having hello contain, but here they will occupy separate memory location because we have created it using new operator. of a given Java program. The content of str1 is India and it is written in small letter case, and the content of str2 is India but it is written in capital letter. And we know the ASCII code of small letter A is 97, B is 98 and so on. The ASCII code of capital letter A is 65, B will be 66 and so on. Consider the case of A. For other also it will be same only, that's why. So 97 minus 65. So correct option will be option C, 32. Additional method of string class. In length, it returns the number of character. For example, the length of the string with the content hello will be 5. Character index at, it will return the character at the specified index. If the content of the string is hello, then index 0 will be H, index 1 will be E and so on. Now get bytes. Get byte method is used to convert a string into byte array. It returns the byte array representing the sequence of character converted into byte. Get char. Get char is used to copy character from source to destination character array. Here you can extract a portion of character by specifying start index and end index and the start offset in the destination array where you want to copy. Concat. Concat is used to append two string to lowercase. This method will convert all the character in this string to lowercase. To uppercase will convert all the character in this string to uppercase. The java.util package provides two main classes for handling date and calendar. Question is constructor. This constructor without argument is used to create a date object using current system time. And then we have the constructor here to create an object with specified time in millisecond elapsed since January 1st, 1970 GMT. Then we have string toString. The toString method return a string representing date and time. GetTime. GetTime return number of milliseconds since January 1st, 1970 GMT. This getTime method will return a long value representing the time in millisecond. And then we have setTime. It will set new date and time of an object using elapsed time. It take a long value representing the time in millisecond as an argument. Here we have calendar class. Calendar class is also provided in java.util package. This class can be used to extract detailed calendar information like year, month, date, hour, minute and second as you can see in this table. And in calendar we are using Gregorian calendar, that is the subclass of calendar class. Here you can see constants of calendar class. Year, here see this capital letter year will represent the year of calendar, and then month in capital letter only represent the month of the year. And here you have to remember 0 for January and 11 for December. Date, it is used to represent day of the month, and day of month is also same as date, is both are same. Hour, it represent hour of the day in 12-hour notation, and this hour of day will represent hour of day in 24-hour notation. Then we have minute, second, AM, PM. Here we have value for AM, PM. 0 is for AM and 1 is for PM. Then day of week, return day number within a week. This one return week number within a month. This constant will return week number within a year, and this constant will return day number in the year. week number within the month. So option B, week of month is correct. If a calendar is an object of calendar class, then which of the following method will set the date to 20? So here calendar.set and the two arguments calendar.date and 20 the date we are setting it. So correct option is B. I hope this much is clear to you. Thank you for being with me till the end of the video. I really appreciate your time and dedication in computer subject. I wish you all the best for the board exam. That is all for the day.